Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Terra Luna Classic. We're going to be analyzing the charts to see whether or not this could definitely be a reversal for the price, or is this just a little bit of a relief rally and nothing too crazy going on. So we're going to discuss all that. If you guys like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And now let's get right in today's update. So looking at the price right now, you guys can see there's about 4 zeros in front of the price, but we could be killing another zero very soon. Current rank for Terra Luna Classic is at that top 79 spot. It has gone down so much over the past few months. We're up about 12.1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 12% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $565 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is also currently sitting at $60 million. Now let's shift our focus, of course, to the price and see what is going on and whether or not this is truly a time to be getting excited, and could we finally have a breakout towards the upside and kind of, come out of this, downward momentum, which mainly started since February of this year. Since then, we've really been in a downward channel, as you guys can see. But before we dive in, I just want to say that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, let's go look at the bigger picture for now. So you guys can see Terra Luna Classic mainly, guys, after it got below this December, prices. So since December price support right here, we dropped quite below that. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, so since then, we did see the price tank even more down, about 32%. And of course, we came and got supported where exactly we would be expecting Terra Luna Classic to be supported at. And that is, of course, the prices from July of last year. And that's exactly where we're finding ourselves being supported at. And, we're hovering around that range. And, now comes the question, what is next? Is this just a little bit of a rally that's occurring after a massive bloodbath over the past few months? Or, is this really a start to something special? I'm going to be quite frank with you guys. I did say this in my other updates for Terra Luna Classic, the ones more on the recent end. Terra Luna Classic, there's a lot of people saying that Terra Luna Classic is going to make a comeback, this and that, but people can't put their mouths to what you really are trying to do with Terra Luna Classic. So what is Terra Luna Classic? Of course, it's a rebuilding project. People are trying to make it back to what it was, and it's not going to happen without you, the bag holders, the people that are actually holding this coin, to actually burn some of your own coins in order for some success, and see that the overall supply actually decrease quite significantly. If we can be talking about this all day long, Terra Luna Classic is going to do this and that, it's going to kill another zero, this and that. But exchanges, of course, Binance, okay, again, and I've said this before and I got a lot of hate on this, but like I said, if you guys know me on my channel, I keep it 100% straightforward. And some people might not like what I say, and some people like it, and the ones that like it, I greatly appreciate it. But I'm not going to come here and give you guys fake hopes. Of course, Binance, I'm going to admit it, Binance is the biggest exchange in terms of, the overall crypto volume, and they're supporting Terra Luna Classic, and they've not been shy from doing so. But now, there needs to be something more. So as of now, of course, we're in the bull market right now, and a lot of people might say we're not. Of course, we're altcoin season. Altcoin season hasn't really started, but we look at Bitcoin to examine if we're in a bull market or not. Okay, so if we look at Bitcoin is definitely in a bull market, and that's the king of the markets, and the bull run has started. So historically speaking, altcoin season does tend to begin after the Bitcoin halving, like the parabolic one if you want to look at it. But as of now, we have not seen more exchanges come out and start ramping up this burning mechanism that we've been very excited about, and what Binance is really doing. So in this case, this is where the community needs to step up. This is where the community needs to burn their own coins. You might not like it, but even if it's $10, if the whole community does it as a whole, that is really going to decrease that supply faster than all you guys think, and that could bring in excitement and maybe get other big players coming on board as well. So of course, and now one other factor is, and this is not only affecting Terra Luna Classic, keep this factor in mind. There's obviously the meme coin mania that's going on, and a lot of people are selling their altcoins and jumping into the meme coin market because of this Pepe huge narrative that it has created, this meme coin bull market, and everyone is jumping in to chase the next gain. And I've said this to you guys on my channel. If you guys are a regular viewer, you guys know how important it is to not FOMO. I strongly encourage you guys to not FOMO into the meme coin market. If you want to, if you like a certain coin and you want to buy a little bit of it, like I said, 99.8% of these meme coins will fail. It will fail, but that does not mean you cannot make a short-term gain. So invest very little. Let's say you're okay to lose $30, and if you want to put that into a meme coin, go ahead, because even if you lose it and if that's okay for you, then yeah, you won't really be kicking yourself too much. So that is what's happening. That's the state of the market right now. But Terra Luna Classic, of course, a lot of people don't want to hear this, but we got to realize, guys, that Terra Luna Classic, does not have that many eyes compared to, what it had, of course, last bull cycle. And today marks a year for that collapse. So that could honestly be the reason as to why we're seeing, this wick happening. And who knows if just because of that news itself, Terra Luna Classic start rallying towards the upside. That would be quite a surprise. But basically what I'm trying to say is, in terms of the overall holders, new holders coming into Terra Luna Classic, that is low because, of course, the confidence is just not there. But the community is still massive, and that is, insane, and that is important. But like I said, if you guys want this supply to decrease, then people will need to work together and literally work together to make this happen. Without that, everyone can start throwing numbers, predictions left and right. In order for it to rebuild this, again, this is a rebuilding project. This is not a brand new project that has just launched and its first bull cycle and stuff like that. No, this is a rebuilding coin. People want to rebuild this community, and if that's gonna happen, that's the only way it's going to happen. And that might bring more eyes from other exchanges start supporting, and bigger players that might start supporting it. But in terms of the price, do I think a Terra Luna Classic still has a chance to make some gains? Of course, I definitely think, the name is huge, and, the community is massive. When the altcoin season really does start, right now you guys can see Bitcoin dominance is still sitting at literally yearly highs. So of course, when we pull down, altcoin season is expected to begin. And if that were to happen, I definitely expect Terra Luna Classic to make some moves around the space. But again, only time is going to tell. But this is why you need to diversify your portfolio. I've said this from the get-go. Never just invest in one single coin. Always have a diversified portfolio, because what that does is that maximizes your growth potential, also minimizes your risk factor. So what we're seeing happening with Terra Luna Classic right now, of course, we're seeing a wick happen, especially if you go on the hourly time frame. And if you picked it up yesterday, you guys are up. Let's go look at that. If you guys picked it up yesterday, you guys are up about 17%. But like I said, if we take into the consideration of the drop that we have seen, that is too high. So this a little bit of a move is not too exciting unless we start, of course, reclaiming this level, most importantly, this level of resistance, guys. If you were to ask me what is that level where I would really think Terra Luna Classic is definitely in a reversal, we need to crack past this level of resistance, which we've been below since March 6th. And you guys can see the importance of that level. As soon as we've gone below it, we've been going down and hitting lower prices after lower prices. So you should really see how important that level of support really is for the price of Terra Luna Classic. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.